darling, welcome or welcome back. It is Lady Draws a Lot. I am an illustrator and a comic book artist, and I'm here today with another unboxing, using, and review of art snacks. Woo! So this is the December art snacks, and I am so in the holiday spirit, you guys. I don't know about you. I hope you are. I hope you're here with me with like some hot cocoa or like a peppermint hot chocolate or like, oh man, what does Starbucks have right now? Like that sugar cookie almond milk thing? Oh, you know what? I hope you have that from the depths of my heart. I hope you have that. I wish you an almond milk sugar cookie latte from Starbucks.
I wish you it. I wish I had it. I wish I had it. I wish me it.
Yeah, I am very much in the holiday spirit. I have got an unreasonable amount of twinkle lights in my home right now. Yes, I do. I'm really wanting to make whatever is in this box to be holiday themed. So here's hoping they just didn't give me Swamp Monster colors. As much as I do love Swamp Monster colors, I just hope it's not this month. And with art snacks, we just don't know, do we? We just don't know. I think they like to keep us on our toes that way, but it's not always a good time to keep us on our toes, art snacks. It's not always. I have a lot to say, but you know what? I want to stay in the holiday spirit. No Grinch moments, okay? None. I'm gonna open this box, see what's inside, and create something beautiful, festive, holiday themed, and put me even further in the holiday spirit. Is that possible? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Let's get creative! So here's what we got in this month's box. This is the Sennelier Ink Brush Pen. So this is actually filled with ink. At first I thought that was just water or maybe some sort of blending solution, but that is some yellow ink in there. So it's a brush pen. And then we've got the Faber Castell Deluxe water brush, and this has a bulb to squeeze to control the water flow. And then we've got the two Maribu Graphix Aqua inks. So these are in the colors mint and dark violet. So I know not everyone gets the same colors every time, so you know, if there's someone out there that got different colors, I would just love to know, because I just think it's so fun to see what other people got too. So alright, this is what we have to work with. Given that we have some ink and some water based brush pens to use, I think I'm going to go with a smooth watercolor paper to use. So that's what I'm going to be working with. What I'm going to make exactly yet, I'm not entirely sure, but I think it's one of those things where I'm just going to sit down and let it happen. So let's get to work. right, so here is where I landed with my wreath, and I like how it turned out. And you know what? I had the holiday spirit while drawing this because I envisioned these as golden ornaments here. But now as the piece is finished and I kind of step back and look at it, it almost looks like one of those springtime wreaths that go up. Am I crazy? I feel like I've seen this before, but these look like lemons to me now. And this looks like a springtime wreath that might be put on a door in the springtime. But anyway, I had fun making this. All right, now let me put this aside and let's talk about the things that came in the box this month. So let's start with these inks. These are the Maribu Graphix Aqua inks. This is colors mint and dark violet. So we've got a green and a purple. These worked well, no issues with these. The color on them is able to be used as a wash, or if you want to use it straight out of the jar, it does pack more of a punch color-wise. It almost works a lot like a watercolor. These retail for $3.29 each. I'd say that's a great value. If you're looking for colored ink, these are a good one to check out. I don't know if they come in sets or not, but that might be a good way to try them. All right, and then let's talk about the Sennelier Ink Brush Pen. So this is a brush pen that's filled with a colored ink. This one happens to be yellow. It is bright yellow. It does work well. It is just the one tone though for this yellow. So I couldn't say for the other colors that I assume this company has that the color might be buildable like it was with these Aqua inks. I just don't know because the color just didn't really, I mean, it's, you know, yellow. So, but it's bright and came out of the pen well, so no issues with that. This retails at $10.55. Now, I'm not sure if this is just because I got the yellow color, but I can't say that I recommend this or would buy it, honestly. You know what? This Faber Castell water brush retails at $11.25. So, this is reusable, refillable, and let's say you buy this and you buy a set of these, you're going to be saving yourself a lot of money versus buying, you know, some of these and then, you know, using them up. So I'd say there are better routes to go down in the ink brush world rather than these. I don't recommend it. I wasn't wowed by it. And I'll stop there with it. I've said my piece about this. It's not that it didn't work or that the color wasn't pretty, but I just think for the price, there are better options for you out there. So, in explaining that, I kind of did talk about this Faber Castell brush pen. This is $11.25. You can put water in it, or you can make your own colored ink and put that in there. So very versatile and reusable, and also the buttons on the side helps you to control the amount of water that comes through the brush, which can be difficult when it comes to some of these pens. So easy to refill by pulling back this plunger, and easy to use. So very nice product from Faber Castell. And that brings me to the end of what's inside this Art Snacks. Yeah, I guess that's all we have for today, folks. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a happy, wonderful holiday season. I will see you guys next time. Bye.